Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel. Today I just felt like doing a rosy tone kind of look. I wanted to play around more with my BoxyCharm palette for the month, which is the Wonder Beauty Wanderess Escape palette. And I did pull in a couple of shades from the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Starting with the Wanderess Escape palette, I am going to start off with the shade Nude Beach in my crease. And I'm just going to buff that in until I get the desired effect of what I want. And from there I'm going to take Overnight in the outer corner and just buff that into the crease. And again, just going back and forth and blending as I need to. Now I'm going to go into the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. And I'm going to take the shade, is it Beloved, all over the lid. I'm just going to take that on my finger and just place that everywhere. And then to go in the center of that, I'm going to take the shade Flourish from the Wanderess Escape palette on my index finger and place that just on the center of my lid. Again, go back and blend as much as you need. I'm going to go ahead, catch the other eye off camera, do my base makeup, and I will be back with the lower lash line. Alright, for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Overnight and then just buff that with just the same brush I used in the outer V. Oops, wrong brush. The same small taper brush I used in the outer V. I'm just going to buff that on my lower lash line. And then for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to go back into the Venus 3 palette and take the shade Beam right here and just put that right here on the inner corner, and then buffing it down kind of to blend in with that dark brown shade. I hope the camera picked up on that okay, but... And well, that's the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless and bye, guys.